Hey guys, I'm about to do part 2 of my hiking video.
Hiking adventure.
There might be a part 3 because there's another path. So that was the first path, which was that way. Over there, over there, over there, over there, and then back. And now, it's a little more later. The sun went down. Here. So this is a good time to do it, because there might be there's a surprise in the, there might be actually no, okay, there's a surprise in the end of the video, so stay tuned, because it's a really good surprise.
Watch your step, Mikey, please.
Okay.
Slowly. Bye.
And since it might have been me, but I've got a view on one of my videos. Okay, so yeah, now I'm going down to here. Well, as you can see, there's a trail that goes there. Let's see where it goes. You know, I've actually been on this so many times. So, yeah. I don't have my hat on. Buddy. Oh, there's...
Nope.
Buddy. Okay. See, I really don't like those holes. I don't like them. I feel like there's snakes in them.
Mm-hmm.
Here's another. This one's big.
Yeah. It is.
There we go. No. And then I feel like this one's new. Because some snakes must have made some big piles of dirt. I don't remember that being there. I know I've seen all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like, I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can only go so far because I don't want a dog to start barking.
Okay. Wait, are we gonna go past their house?
Past Gadget's house? Oh no, you mean the dog
Yeah.
house?
Uh-huh.
No, before that. No.
Yeah, but that was the surprise
No.
in the end.
I don't want those 5 dogs to start barking and making a racket.
No, it's fine. Okay, there might not be a surprise, you guys. Here's the backyard. I do not know what that green thing is. Oh, it's an egg. It's an Easter egg with some chocolates, I think, in it. Yeah. I don't really want it because I saw some ants on it, some bugs. So it's probably old. There's another backyard. Maybe if the dogs don't see us, then. Okay. Uh-oh. Some dogs. Here's another house. See, the sun went down a little, as you can see. It's really bright. Oh, there's a bunny. Okay. Oh, there's two. Yeah. Those are still barking. Okay. So much flies here. I'm just gonna take a peek if the dogs are there. No. I wanted to show them over there.
Oh, jeez. Well, go get away from the fence. Go that way.
Okay. Okay. It's close to the surprise. We're close to the surprise. It's really cool.
Go up this way, Mikey.
That's really high.
Go sideways. Use your heels. Heel. You don't have to lift your front of the foot, just put your weight on your heel, that's all. Okay, now.
I don't want to go.
Okay, we gotta turn back then.
Okay. So, step.
Turn back.
No, this way. Up there. Up. Now they're here.
Toby, there's Toby.
Toby. Good Toby. That's Toby, you guys. The dog.
Good boy, Toby, good boy.
You guys know how we know Toby? It's 'cause once those people's gate is like broken. So then Toby escaped and just came to our house. So we took him in and gave him some snacks and stuff. And then our cousin Max, who lives there, right there, which is my uncle's house. So there. Okay, we're going to the surprise. And I need to tell you something about my cousin Cole and we're at the surprise. This looks like there could have been like a row like of concrete.
Mm-hmm.
And then like if you have a bike or a scooter, you could ride on it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and it splits up. There, that's better. And then another split up. As you can see, the sun is over there in the view. Oh, I might have just said the surprise, but we were close enough. Okay. as you guys know, you might not know actually, it's a great bit. Okay, I'll tell you.
It's called a
In
flood
3,
control basin.
2, 1. It's a good view. It's better in real life than on here. And my cousin Cole, he says that way back there's like a forest that he built a thing really deep in it, and he actually saw 3 venomous snakes. There, you guys can see. It's next to those mountains. It's like in, is that, it's kind of blurry.
It's hard because you're kind of facing the sun. So.
Right. Is and there.
Okay.
Okay.
So can we go back the normal way to the sidewalk?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go this way.
You guys want to see go towards where we're going, or I don't know. I'll just go towards. And oh, just to tell you that I have a belt on. This is like my first time wearing a belt, actually. Actually, I don't think so. Okay, here. Some plants. Nice. Nice view from here, actually. Over there, you could see a little house. Wow. I would rather go down here.
Well, let's travel both.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Right there. Oh, I would go down there because I'm a dangerous boy. Watch out for me. Oh, it's a beetle. Yay. Let's go, beetles.
Okay, slowly.
No, I'm fast. You guys like my shoes? You guys already know they're Vans. I love Vans.
Slowly, Mikey. Those rocks are sharp. Take your time. Okay, I think your video is over, so I can call Chad and tell him we're running a little late. So.
Okay, goodbye, guys. And wait. And